How to pay Apollo Group TV with credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Here is how you'll be able to pay your Apollo Group TV with credit card. First and foremost, go ahead and visit the Apollo TV website. Once you are in here, make sure to sign in into your account. Now over here, look for the section of payment or bill payment. You will have to provide your account number, customer ID, or any other relevant details. Select the option of credit card from the available payment method. After which, you will have to input your credit card number, expiration date, and the security code. Complete the payment by following the on-screen instruction to finalize the payment. If you have any of the trouble regarding the process, you can check out the customer service. For that, you can tap on the three horizontal line and click on the contact button. After which, you can reach out to the help and support of Apollo Group TV by filling out the form or by tapping on the chat icon to chat with the bot as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.